How to activate your Lowe's credit card online. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you do not want to visit the in-store but want to activate Lowe's credit card online, here's a perfect tutorial. So for this, you have to open any of your browser and go to the official website of Lowe's. It is lowes.com, and now you have to tap on the profile on the top right corner and sign in if you have already account created. If not, you have to create a new account. Once this is done and you have been logged in, search for a tab which says Activate or Activate your card. It is usually available on the navigation bar. Tapping on it will ask you for your account number, card number, and last four digit of social security number. Also, it will ask you to create a PIN for your card. Once you have submitted for the activation, it will give you a notification if the card has been activated or not. And as easily as that, you can activate your Lowest credit card online. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.